about the supply challenge. We look at the talent supply. In terms of absolute numbers, we are talking about millions of young people joining workforce every year. There is a challenge that the capabilities, have a mismatch. They don't fit into a corporate requirement. The other side of that supply challenge is the overall perception of a BPO job. So, do you think BPOs as an industry, are we able to attract the young graduating class of India as an employer of choice in a BPO sector?
See, unfortunately, there are not very many other options that people have. So, whether the industry is the industry of choice or the only available option, we can discuss and deliberate and debate that. But for the masses that our education system is able to create, the other options for them are fairly limited. Particularly if you're only a graduate, you become an engineer and specialize, or you become a doctor and specialize in something, you become a lawyer and specialize in something. An average graduate to a professional. A professional is a different category, though now within this industry we are increasingly employing those professionals and creating those capabilities, but at a graduate level there are not very many options. So the opportunities that can be created, and there is a perception. We do a perception survey with the employees of the industry, and we get an understanding. There is a perception to say this is a stopgap arrangement. There are a lot of people sitting in senior leadership positions in middle management who, if you ask them why they stayed, it is because I didn't get another job, not because I wanted to make my career here. But now, if you get another job, will you leave? No, nobody pays me as much as you do. Nobody gives me the comforts as much as you do. Nobody gives me the lifestyle that you give. So, to my mind, there is a shift happening in that perception. This industry directly employs over 1 million people. Indirectly, we employ more than 5.5 million people. If you have 5.5 million people, you need lots of leadership at various layers. And the understanding that those layers can be fulfilled and it can make a great career is now setting in. We are paying a big price for the fact that we are a nascent industry. The biggest advice to a kid out of college comes from the parents, or it comes from that important uncle, auntie who is made it big in the corporate life somewhere, and everybody in the family looks up to that uncle for advice. This industry did not exist when that uncle was young or when the parent was young. They have no clue about what this industry is. Their only knowledge is based on what they read in the newspaper. Unfortunately, our newspapers tend to sensationalize things rather than bring it out in a balanced view, and that is what is the input to the kid to say as a stopgap that is fine. Because a kid who just graduated can look for a lot of other jobs and not find any and be welcomed into the business process management industry, and therefore he or she takes it. And then the realization that a career could be built is today creating a conflict in the mind of the kid, because the uncle said this is not a good idea, but hey, this looks very good, look how well the guys are doing. So it will take a little bit of time, because that conflict in the mind has to be resolved by the kid based on facts that he or she sees. And I think the realization that there could be a career is dawning upon it. And over the next 5-10 years, we'll see the impact of it.